Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily change the theme in your group chat in Facebook Messenger. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments after watching this video. And let's get started. So friends, I want to show you how you can change the theme in your group chat to absolutely any theme that the Facebook Messenger application provides. Now folks, to do this, open up the app itself and then select that group chat. Next, you have two options on how to change the theme. The first one is, at the top, click on your group name and then go to the theme option. And here choose the one that you prefer. You can scroll down to see all the themes. And let's say if you like a particular theme, click on it. Now you will see how it will roughly look like in your group chat. If you are satisfied with it, click on Save. Now exit back out. And as you can see, now your chat room looks like this along with the modified theme. And the second way you can change the group chat theme like this is to click and hold on an empty field, not where the message is, but on the empty field. And as you can see, a list of themes pops up right away. You can also select any of them, click Next. And that will change your theme. That's how you can change topics in group chat and Messenger app. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to write your comments, as well as put likes and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.